So in this video, I am going to share you which programming language should I learn as a fresher or experienced professional, either Java or Python programming language. So many of the freshers or beginners may confuse which programming language is good to learn as a fresher and I can get job easily. So if you are a fresher, what programming language should I learn? And if you are trying as an experienced professional, what programming language should I learn? So I'm going to clear all your doubts in this session. So watch till the end of video. Okay, so without wasting our time, let us start the main topic. Which programming language should I choose? Either Java or Python? My answer is both programming languages are high demand in the worldwide. Okay, so many of the companies are using Java programming language as well as Python programming language, but way of using is different, guys. So based on the project and based on the requirement, these programming languages are using. So before choosing on any of these programming language, you have to ask yourself, what should I become in the future? Either desktop engineer or mobile application engineer or mobile application developer or full stack developer or enterprise application developer or web developer. Okay, so you have to ask question yourself before choosing any one programming language. Okay, based on your dream job and interest, you have to choose the programming language, because both are popular programming language. There is no doubt, guys. Okay, you can go with Python or you can go with Java programming language. Okay, both are high demand, but based on your dream job, to choose the programming language. Suppose if you want to become a mobile application developer, then 100% you have to choose Java programming language, because many of the mobile applications are developing by using Java programming language. Suppose if you want to become a data analyst or data engineer or data scientist, okay, or IoT engineer, there are number of built-in functionalities and built-in libraries, rich libraries are available in Python programming language. You can easily do any task related to analysis task and reporting task. You can easily complete all these things with the help of Python programming language. So I highly recommend you, if you want to become a data analyst, data analytics or data scientist or any reporting tool you are using, and machine learning engineer, artificial intelligence engineer, okay, and data scientist, to go with Python programming language. Okay, so if you want to become a web developer or enterprise application developer or backend developer or full stack developer, then better to go with the Java technology, guys. In case if you are a fresher, then my choice is Java, guys, because there are number of job openings are there who knows Java technology as a fresher. Even you can crack the campus entries also if you are good in object oriented programming language, that is nothing but Java. Not only in campus entries, as a fresher you can easily get job if you know Java technology. So therefore, if you are a fresher, better to go with Java technology. Okay, if you are not good that much programming or coding knowledge, then better to choose Python programming language, because both are high demand in the software industry worldwide. You may ask doubt, which is the better career growth? Both having bright career growth, guys. Okay, you can start your career with any one programming language, you will have better career growth and you will have high package as well. Okay, even if you become a Java full stack developer, you can expect for 4 years of experience candidate around 20 to 23 lakhs, guys. Even if you become a data engineer for 4 years of experience, the same package is available. Therefore, we can't compare both of these programming languages. Okay, every programming language is must used in their specific requirement. So you have to choose your programming language based on your dream job and interest. I hope you understand which programming language you should learn. Okay, if you still have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will reply to your queries. Okay, so if you really love this content, then don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to share to your network and your social networking platform. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.